Little pike. Oh, you got him. Nice work. Nice work, G-Money. What's up, AOTC fam? Super excited for today's video. Forgot to do an intro on the water, so we're giving you one now. My girlfriend and I drove about 3 hours north of Omaha, Nebraska, and we are on the beautiful river behind us in her parents' cabin. So it's a super cool place to be. But yeah, yesterday we did a little fishing challenge, boyfriend-girlfriend challenge, and you'll have to see how it turned out. It turned out to be a pretty decent day of fishing for the short amount of time we fished, so hopefully you like it. You're becoming quite the boat partner there, G-Money. That's true. Since you were a fetus. I don't know. Well, you got bumped? Oh, got one. Yep. Oh! Mine's on still. I don't know what it is, but it's on. Largie! Ooh, that's a pretty good one. Is it or no? Not really.
Decent.
Yeah. Look at that. Top of the mouth. Pulsar, baby. Let's go.
You're lame.
I know. Look at that. Thing's getting chewed. All right. Thanks, buddy. Look at him swim off. So majestic.
Go. Oh, it's so small. Look how cute.
Nice job, dude.
He's got a big appetite for a little guy.
Mm-hmm. Show the camera. Woo! $10.
Oh, got one.
Again?
Yep. This one feels good.
What the heck?
No.
You're freaking beating my butt. That's not a bad one. Oh wait, it's not a bad, or wait. Yes it is. Sorry, it looked weird. Damn. Freaking kicking my butt. Got it.
All right. He's a fatty.
He is a fatty.
Look at his little belly.
Look at that little belly. Look at that belly. Woo! Nice catch, G-Money.
How far away is your spot?
Not too far. I mean, oh God.
Got one?
I saw him eat I saw him eat it. Dang.
Sorry.
No, you didn't. That was cool. I like watched him eat it. You don't have to. Yep. God. Of course we did. What else would we have caught it on? Oh! I just had a big pike come up on it. Like big.
Were you throwing squirtle?
No, swim jig. My ass will probably get bit off, knowing me.
Why are you using a leader?
Cause I don't like to, cause then I don't catch bass.
I'm using a leader and I caught like 3 bass. 2 bass.
Oh. Well, on a jig, it's different.
No.
No, I mean on a jig for me, it's different.
Oh, it's like the same thing.
No, it's not. No, that was sweet though. I hope I got that on video. I don't know if I did. Apparently that pattern works. You throw like black creature baits into the reeds and let them fall in, and the bass will eat them because they think it's a baby bird. Oh, that was cool. That was cool.
Oh God.
It's all right. It's all right. I got him.
Oh God. Is he okay?
Yep.
Is he tied up?
No.
Oh, he's tied up. Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right. Cool. Nice catch, G.
Oh, hi, little guy. Okay, let him go. Let him go. No, let him go. Let me go. Let him go.
Okay. Okay.
He already had trauma.
All right, buddy. Oh, there he goes. What? Is he gonna bite again? Damn. Must be aggressive at least.
Oh, I think I have one.
Oh, what was it?
A really massive pike.
Are you
Yeah,
serious?
I just saw it.
No, like how big?
Like big.
Like what? Like, oh,
Like it flashed his body, and let's just say it took like 2 seconds to view its entire body.
are you serious? What?
All right. Well.
Well, hey, there's a good start.
I hate breaking off on top, so it makes me feel so good.
No, gee, I bet honestly, when that happens and that was a quick break too, I bet it came out of his mouth. Yeah, because usually they just bite like that and then they snap your line. And like the bait just drops.
You might want to put a leader on your pole guard because we don't have any of them anymore.
Yep, I have.
I can see something's boiling in here.
Oh, if you want another one, I actually have one tied on in the rod locker.
Got one. Oh,
What was that?
I think it was another pike.
Hmm?
You better catch it.
I know.
It's starting to get embarrassing.
It really is, for real. Oh. Yep. No idea what it is. Woo! Decent bass, actually. He's not bad.
He's not bad. Oh, he's fat.
Fatty.
He is a fatty. Is he okay?
Yeah. Look at that guy.
Look at his side.
Which side? The other side?
Yeah, he's been in a skirmish.
Oh man, skirmish guy. Bye, buddy. Wow, he was feisty. The tube. The tube. Man, these tubes are durable as hell. I think I caught like 5 fish on this one tube. That's pretty good. I don't know. Do I?
That's what I thought. You probably do.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Big?
Oh God. I don't know. Little pike. Oh, you got him. Nice work. Nice work, G Money.
That was what came after me.
You think?
Yes, because it looked like that. It was just like small, so I didn't think it was a pike.
Yeah.
The second time.
He bit so weird.
There you go. Long arm. Okay.
Skinny one. Look at that guy.
Toss him back. Wait, isn't he orange pike still?
Oh, he was good.
Nice job.
Thank you. Nice net job on that. I wouldn't have got that thing if it wasn't for you.
I'm pretty clutch.
That was pretty cool. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching today, guys. Yeah, so I'm thinking about doing merch for AOTC. So if you'd like to see that, drop a comment. Let me know. I really appreciate that because I'm trying to figure out, get a gauge for kind of what people want and what they want to see. So drop a comment, and also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to AOTC. Peace.